In the east of England, where land lies low and water rules without mercy, a silent guardian stands, a sentinel of steel and stone forged from centuries of struggle between man and the relentless tides. This is the Denver Sluice Complex, the beating heart of the fens. For generations, these lands were wild, flooded, shifting, untamed, a place where rivers wandered freely and storms could reshape the world overnight. But the people of the fens dreamed of something greater, a land reclaimed, fertile, protected. In 1651, they built the first barrier, a bold attempt to hold back the sea. But the forces of nature were fierce, and the early structure was swept away in a surge of unstoppable power. Yet from ruin came resolve. Engineers returned, designs evolved, and in 1834 a new sentinel rose, stronger, wiser, built to endure. Much of what stands today still carries the imprint of that Victorian vision. Now, Denver Sluice is no single gate, but an entire system, a network of channels, locks and precision-engineered barriers working in perfect synchrony to command the flow of water. When the tides rise and salt water pushes inland like a silent invader, the gates close, holding the line. When the tides fall and the rivers breathe out towards the sea, the gates open, releasing the pressure, renewing the land. Here, 5 great waterways meet, a crossroads where decisions are made not by chance but by engineering, by vigilance, by the constant guardianship of those who manage this complex ballet of water. And within this fortress of flow, a lock guides boats safely between inland calm and tidal power. A reminder that the fens are not just protected by water management, they are connected by it. The elements have tested Denver's resolve time and time again. Storm surges have risen like walls of force. Tides have strained the gates, and the structure has felt the weight of nature's fury. Yet every time the sluice stands restored, renewed, as if to say, I am still here. Because of this place, thousands of acres of land thrive, villages stand safe, farms flourish, wildlife finds refuge in landscapes shaped not by chaos, but by careful control. This is more than engineering. It is endurance. It is legacy. It is the quiet hero of the fens, watching, balancing, protecting the Denver Sluice Complex, where land and water meet, and the battle is never truly won, only managed by those brave enough to face the tide.